Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to score some awesome gift cards without spending a dime, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through a simple process to get gift cards for free. So, let's dive right in. Step 1 is super easy. You're going to want to look at the description below this video or check out the pinned comment. There's a special link waiting for you there. Just go ahead and click on it. Once you've clicked that link, it will take you straight to the offer page. Here, you'll see a variety of gift card options available for you to choose from. Now look for the big Get Started button. It's hard to miss. Go ahead and click on it. Next up, you'll need to complete a short survey. Don't worry, it's quick and easy. Just follow the prompts and answer the questions honestly. Once you've completed the survey, it's time to sit back and relax. Just wait for your gift to be processed. Finally, keep an eye on your email. You'll receive a confirmation email letting you know when your gift is ready. And trust me, you don't want to miss it. And that's it, folks. You've just learned how to get a gift card for free in just a few easy steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and happy gifting!